In this week's video, a snowstorm came to our area and we're making a sled run.
But we're having a fun morning. The children are outside taking care of the animals, and they're fooling around in the snow doing something, who knows. We've got roughly 12 inches of snow out there, and it's still coming down. I know it doesn't look like too much here on the banister, but they're telling me it's more like 12 inches. And as I look out at items that are sitting out, like vehicles, I can tell it's roughly 12 inches of snow. So yeah, it looks like we got quite a bit. So it's still snowing too, so I don't know what we're going to end up with. What are them kids doing out there?
Alright, so we got our sled run marked out and we're going to go down it and pack it down. We'll see how this goes. We got about a foot of snow, so I don't know. We'll see. Sled will probably fill up with snow on the way down the hill. Here goes nothing.
Okay. Now, if this was a path, it'd be so much easier to walk through. Hi people on the YouTube video. The one time we were literally trying to sell airhead sleds, but they didn't call them airhead sleds. The brand is Airhead, okay? You want to push? Yeah, push me! Oh my goodness. I don't think I can do this. You don't think you can do this? Too bad for you. You're not going to push me, are you? Should I ride an airhead sled? What? Should I ride an airhead sled? I don't care.
Well, sleds didn't work, filled with snow, so we got something way better. That guy. We'll see what happens here. Now I'm going to start building up the walls along the sled run to keep you going straight down a hill so you don't veer off the sled run. Now all I gotta do is make like a ramp at the top since it's kind of flat up there. So you can come down and that'll be finished and we can sled on it. Gonna need a lot more work.
All right, I'm outside. We've got a snowstorm going on, and I have no idea how much snow we have. Our children have been out here doing stuff in the snow on and off all day. They're supposedly making a sled run and some snow shelters. So I don't know. I've got a yardstick along. I'm going to see if we can measure how deep the snow is. All right, he's using the little wheelbarrow cart, motorized wheelbarrow we have. He's trying to use it like a snowplow, I guess. He's going to try to make a path for me. And with everything I've been through, I probably shouldn't be trying to walk in this stuff. So I think I'm going to just wait. All right, first reading here. Looks like 12 1/8 of an inch. About 12 1/8, maybe 12 1/4. Now this is only like, I don't know, 15 feet from the house, so I'll wait till the path's cleared and we'll take another measurement up a little bit further. Pushing this one down in there pretty good. Just about 11 inches there. Okay, I'm up in our garden, where our garden usually is. Here's our swing set. So if you know where our garden goes, that's where I'm at. At least 50 feet from the house, maybe, well, probably more like 60 feet. Let's say 60 feet from the house. 11 inches here. All right, I'm going to go over where they're building their sled run. We'll see how it is over there. Okay. 12 1/8. All right, now we're going to try, let's use a shovel and clear away some of this. Can you guys, hey, can you bring your shovel over here and clear this? I'm going to get one of them to clear a little place with a shovel, and I'm just going to make sure, I'm pretty sure we're hitting the ground. I'm ramming in there pretty good. We're going to make sure there's no resistance here. All right, here we are.
Hey, that isn't going to be right because there's a little bit of hills.
What? Yeah, I see that. So we're going to go, looks like right there. That's about 13 1/4 if we measure it right there. Yeah, the deepest we got 13, so I don't know, about a foot in depth. So, all right, so let's see what the kiddos have been up to all day. They're making a sled run, they say. All right, so what's the log all about you brought over here?
Logs to make the ramp higher so you get more speed as you go down the hill.
Oh, so you like kind of jump off of it, like?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Like a launch pad.
Okay.
These suckers
So does this thing work well? Has anybody went down it yet?
I went down it once.
Our sleds are broken. So.
Can I see somebody go down it, or are you not ready?
I'm not ready.
Not quite ready yet.
All right.
So it's a few days after the big snowstorm the other day, and it's nighttime right now. And just look how bright it is, even with the sunset. We hope you enjoyed this week's video. Thanks for watching.
God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.
Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and hit that like button if you haven't done so already. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to receive notifications when we do upload the next video, hit that notification bell. And check out our channel. We have several videos just like this one or very similar. We do various things including hiking, biking, boating, fishing, builds of various kinds, mostly outdoor activities. Some homesteading is thrown in there as well. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.